Okay, students, in previous class we discussed chemical properties and physical properties of first day group elements. In this we are going to discuss some important topics like general topics like uses, next diagonal relationship, next dissimilarities. Okay, now we first you have to discuss uses. Okay, uses. First one, lithium. Uses of lithium. First one, uses of lithium. See here, lithium is used in electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. It is used in electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. Okay, electrochemical cells. Next it is used in thermonuclear reactions. Thermonuclear reactions. Thermo means which runs with heat, which runs with heat. The nuclear reactions which are commenced with heat. Okay, lithium forms alloys. Lithium forms alloys with lead, aluminum, magnesium. Okay, alloy means it is a solid solution, the mixture of homogeneous mixture of two or more metals is nothing but a alloy. Okay, so here lithium forms alloys with lead plus lead, aluminum, magnesium. See here, Li plus lead equal to white metal. So the Li name is white metal. So it is a Li. It is a white metal is used bearings for engines. Bearings for engines. If you run the engine smoothly, it having a bearing. Bearing means which runs smoothly. So a small wheel which runs smoothly is called a bearing. Next, lithium plus aluminum. So the alloy of this SC, it is used in aircraft parts. Used in aircraft parts. Okay, then lithium plus magnesium. It is this alloy is used armor plates which are used in wars. These are the uses of lithium. Okay, next sodium. Sodium mixed with lead forms alloys. Sodium or lead forms PbEt for PB, PbEt4 or PbMe4, PbEt4 or PbMe4. It is a tetraethyl lead, it is a tetramethyl lead. So here PbEt4 equal to tetraethyl lead, tetraethyl lead, and PbMe4, PbMe4, PbMe4 equal to tetramethyl lead, tetraethyl lead and tetramethyl lead. Okay, these two are used as anti-knocking agents for petrol. Forms PbEt4 and PbMe4 are used as anti-knocking agents for petrol, anti-knocking agents for petrol engines. The knocking means which creates an engine. So if you use anti-knocking agents, then the engine will be cleared. So sodium or lead forms tetraethyl lead, tetramethyl lead are used as anti-knocking agents for petrol. Then so liquid sodium metal is used as a coolant, liquid sodium metal is used as a coolant. So this is briefly uses of sodium. Liquid sodium metal is used as a coolant. It is briefly uses of lithium, and it is uses of sodium. Then we will discuss for uses of potassium. Then potassium. See here, potassium chloride is used in fertilizers, Then potassium hydroxide is used in soft soaps. Potassium hydroxide is used in soft soaps. Potassium hydroxide is used in soft soaps, beauty soaps. Soft soaps means beauty soaps. Next, see here, potassium hydroxide is a good absorber of CO2. So it is used to absorb absorption of CO2. See here, KOH plus CO2. Then what happened? So here, excellent absorbent used absorption of CO2 means it is excellent as adsorbent. So what happened? K2CO3 is formed. Then H2O is released. So for balancing this, how many here you have to take 2? K2, K2, 2O2, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 hydrogens. It is a balanced. So what I mean to say, KOH is used as a good excellent adsorbent of CO2. So KOH is used as absorption of CO2 is nothing but KOH is used as a excellent adsorbent of CO2. Okay. Next, cesium. Next, cesium. Cesium is used as in photoelectric device, is used in photoelectric cells. Cesium is used as so cesium is low ionization enthalpy. Due to this low ionization enthalpy, we can remove electrons easily from cesium outermost shell. So that can be used in photoelectric cells. Okay. Cesium is used in photoelectric cells. Cesium is used in devices of photoelectric cells. Okay, these are the uses of lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium. Okay, so this is briefly uses of lithium, sodium, potassium. Next we will go for anomalous properties of lithium. Anomalous properties of lithium we will discuss. Okay, got it? Then anomalous properties of lithium. See here, next we are going to discuss anomalous properties. Anomalous properties of lithium. Anomalous properties of lithium. First of all, you know anomalous means different properties. Why lithium is differ from other elements? Because due to its small size and high polarizing power. Why lithium is differ from other elements in first group means lithium having small size, very small size and high polarizing power. Due to these two reasons, lithium is differ from other elements in first group elements. In what ways it differs means we are going to discuss. See here, see due to two reasons, lithium is different from other elements okay. So first one is small size, and second one is high polarizing power. High polarizing power. Okay. Polarizing power means ionic charge by ionic radius square. So here polarizing power already we discussed. This is we discussed in second chapter. Polarizing power is equal to ionic charge by ionic radius square. Ionic charge by ionic radius square. Okay. So this is polarizing power. So anomalous properties we are going to discuss. So lithium is harder. Lithium is very harder than other elements. That is first one. So lithium is very hard from other elements, from others. Lithium is very hard from other elements. Okay. Next, lithium forms monoxide, but others are not. Lithium forms Li2O, but others are not. Okay. See, lithium forms Li3N nitride, but others are not. So LiCl is deliquescent. LiCl is a deliquescent. Deliquescent means the substance which absorbs moisture present in the air and themselves dissolves is nothing but a deliquescent. The substance which absorbs moisture present in the air and themselves dissolves is called deliquescent. Okay. Next, lithium forms hydrates. Lithium forms hydrates, Hydrates, hydrates like LiCl2 2H2O, but others are not. Okay. Next, lithium LiHCO3 do not exist in solid state. do not exist in solid state. Understand? Lithium hydrogen carbonate do not exist in solid state. Lithium hydrogen carbonate do not exist in solid state, but other elements can form lithium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. On heating lithium carbonate, which gives monoxide, but others are not. On heating Li2CO3 gives Li2O, but others are not. But other elements are not. Understand? So for example, Li2CO3 on heating, it gives rise to Li2O plus CO2, Li2O plus CO2. Okay. So like this. So here nitrates, on heating lithium nitrate, okay, LiNO3. So here, sorry, on heating lithium nitrate LiNO3 gives Li2O, but others are not. See here, LiNO3 on heating Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. Okay. So for balancing this, if you take 2, if you take 4, okay, Li, 4 Li, 2 2s are 4 Li, 4N, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So here on heating LiNO3, lithium nitrate, which gives Li2O, but other elements gives nitrite. Other elements gives nitrite. Okay. Lithium do not form ethanites like others. Lithium do not form ethanites like others. Other elements can form. See, all first year group elements reacts with ethane, form ethanites, but lithium do not form ethanites. Okay. So this is also one dissimilarity. Lithium do not form ethanites. Other elements can form ethanites. Okay. So here that is a dissimilarity of lithium. These are dissimilarities of lithium. Dissimilarities is nothing but anomalous properties. See, so these lithium do not form ethanites, means other elements reacts with ethane, form ethanites, but lithium do not. Other elements M plus ethane gives rise to ethanites. See here, M plus ethane gives ethanites. Okay, but lithium not. M means M equal to sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, like that. Okay, lithium do not form ethanites. So this is ethanite. Understand? So these are dissimilarities. So why lithium shows the dissimilarities with other elements means due to two reasons: small size, high polarizing power. Polarizing power means ionic charge by ionic radius square. So what are the anomalous properties of lithium? Means lithium is very hard. Lithium forms Li2O but others are not. Lithium forms LiN but others are not. LiCl is a deliquescent. Deliquescent means which absorbs moisture present in the air. So lithium forms hydrates like LiCl2 but others are not. So LiHCO3 do not exist in solid state. Other elements can exist. Next here on heating LiNO3, lithium gives Li2O but other elements gives nitrites. So here lithium do not form ethanides. Ethanides means other elements reacts with ethine to form ethanides. Okay, ethine means C triple bond C. These are called ethines. Okay, so these are called ethines. So this is a dissimilarities of lithium. Dissimilarities of lithium. Okay, and then we go for diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. In this topic we discussed dissimilarities with same group elements. Now we are going to discuss similarities with the next group element. They are nothing but a diagonal relationship. Why lithium shows diagonal relationship with magnesium means size of the lithium, ionic size, atomic size of the lithium and atomic size of the magnesium is nearly same, and ionic size of the lithium and ionic size of the magnesium is nearly same. Okay, so due to similar atomic size and ionic size, lithium shows similarities with the magnesium. We are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, so this is briefly anomalous properties of lithium. Okay.